Hi guys, so today I'm gonna test this PortaPocket. I am a bridesmaid at the wedding, so I'm gonna test how comfortable it feels when I walk down the aisle, and then a little bit of dancing, just walking around, and see how it feels. I think it's a great idea. I just don't know how functional or how comfortable I'll feel wearing it. So we'll see.
Today I'm going to be testing out the PortaPocket on one of my bike rides. Oftentimes when I'm doing outdoor activities such as going for a run or riding my bike, I don't have anywhere to put my phone or maybe some chapstick or my wallet, and I don't want to put it in my pocket because it can easily fall out, and I don't want to ride my bike with a purse that's just going to be uncomfortable and annoying. So right now I'm putting the PortaPocket to the test by riding around with all of my belongings in it. I am really impressed so far. It hasn't budged. My stuff, it's pretty packed in there, but it hasn't moved. I haven't had to stop and adjust it. It's staying really nice and secure.
Hey everybody, it's Nico and I'm here at Coney Island. I brought the PortaPocket with me and I'm gonna test it out today on a couple rides to see how well it stays on my arm. It's a really hot day. I know I'm gonna be sweaty. We'll see how really sweat and waterproof it actually is, and just see if it actually helps hold all my stuff.
So walking down the aisle was a success. I can kind of feel it. It's not like the most comfortable thing, but it did the job. Alright, so it was definitely hard to dance with this on. I tried for a little bit, but I quickly gave up and just dropped it at the table. I think it's a great idea, great for parties like this, if you're just gonna like, for the first part of the party where you're just hanging out, walking slowly, but for dancing, not ideal.
So I am back from my bike ride with testing out the PortaPocket, and I loved it. I still have it strapped around my waist. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. I honestly don't even feel like it's on. And when I was riding my bike, it didn't get sweaty at all. It stayed put, and it really eased my mind knowing that my belongings were safe and secure and they weren't going anywhere.
We're about to leave Coney Island. It was a very long day. We went on a ton of rides with the PortaPocket, and I do have some thoughts. One problem that I immediately had was trying to put it on myself. It was really hard to use the arm that I was putting it on to help me actually strap it together, but it had a ton of pros, like the fact that I wore it all day with all these rides that I went on, and it didn't move at all, didn't budge, didn't slip, didn't feel tight or restricting on my arm. I thought was really, really good.